Is your Roblox app not updating on Android or showing an update error on the Play Store? In this video, I'll show you effective ways to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Avoid slow or unstable networks. Now let's move on to the actual solutions. Solution 1. Check storage space. Roblox won't update if the storage is low. Go to settings on your device. Scroll down and tap device care. And now tap storage. Make sure you have at least 500 MB of free space. Delete unused apps or files if needed. Solution 2. Clear Google Play Store cache and Google Play service. Sometimes a corrupted cache causes this issue. Open settings on your device. Scroll down and tap apps or app management. Now search for the Google Play Store from the search icon. Scroll a little bit and tap storage. Then tap clear cache and come back to the search icon. Then search for Google Play service. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap storage. Then tap clear cache. That's it. After that, reopen the Play Store and update Roblox. Solution 3. Update Android system. Outdated Android versions may cause updating issues. Open settings on your device. Scroll down to the bottom and tap software update. Download and install updates if available. After updating, try to update Roblox. If the update still won't work, then follow this final solution. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. This ensures you get the latest version. Long press the Roblox app, then tap App Info and uninstall the app. Restart your phone. Now open the Play Store on your phone. Then search for Roblox. Install Roblox again from here. After that, log in and check the errors. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if you're still facing the issue. Thanks for watching.